Ceres. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt that lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, slightly closer to Mars' orbit. Its diameter is approximately 1,000 kilometers, making it the largest of the minor planets within the orbit of Neptune. So, the diameter of Ceres is around 1,000 kilometers. Its mass is 9 times 10 with 20 zeros in kilograms. Yeah, the orbital period is 1,682 days, which is 40 years. For the age of 4, that's the timing to be that aging, becoming a kid. Surface area with almost 3 million square kilometers. It has a similar size as of Argentina and India. So, interestingly, Ceres is the 6th closest object to the to the Earth, and the closest dwarf planet to Earth. So, it is not the largest asteroid. That's because it is considered a dwarf planet. An asteroid Vesta, that is the largest asteroid. So, temperatures on Ceres could be around minus 75 Celsius or minus 100 Celsius, which can be colder than it, but it's a little bit warmer than Earth's minimum temperature. So, what would standing on this large asteroid belt object feel like? Well, let's see. If you were to be on Ceres, then you can tell there's a lot of craters, and the surface looks dark gray, and that's because it has no atmosphere, of course. And yes, gravity is much lower than Earth, because there is barely no atmosphere on Ceres. And yeah, this is the map of Ceres, just like with the map of Earth. But did you know that less Ceres can fit in the sun than Sedna? That's because Ceres is not the smallest known dwarf planet. It is because Sedna is just a tiny bit smaller than Ceres because of the volume. Because Ceres has a volume of 421 million cubic kilometers, and over 33 billion Ceres can fit inside the sun. But yeah, there is one asteroid that has a moon, because some asteroids could have moons, but not every. So, it's called Ida. Ida is an asteroid that has one moon called Dectal. That is a very tiny moon, which is way smaller than our moon. So yeah, this is Vesta and Ceres. Even though Ceres is larger than Vesta, still Vesta is the largest asteroid because Ceres is a dwarf planet. So yes, if you were to stand there, yeah, you can see some mountains right there. So yeah, the Dawn spacecraft did launch to Ceres. It just got to Mars in 2007 and went to Ceres in 2015. But the reason why they arrived to Ceres in 8 years, that's because they stopped on Mars to search something on Mars. Then they went to Ceres. So yeah, Ceres is just a lot smaller than Pluto. Just almost 2.5 times smaller than Pluto. So yeah, Ceres is around 3 times more distant from the sun than the Earth is. Just here it is. See the Earth, Moon, and Ceres in scale. And it is a way smaller than our moon because you can tell that if Ceres was the moon of our planet, then Ceres we would have a lot smaller moon, and our moon would be ejected flying into outer space, of course. There are different sides of Ceres. But yeah, you can tell that the surface of Ceres can be very icy and slippery because it has no atmosphere. But yeah, there's a volcano and a geyser, rock, ice, and salt deposit. Yeah, that is a crater right there. Besides, what's under Ceres is the salt-rich ice crust and a bright deposit and a silicate core. That core is just a lot larger than our core in the Earth. And the core is much colder than on the Earth. Of course, yeah, no one can explain about this mountain. NASA can't explain the mountain on this small dwarf planet. Alhana Mons. It's just a bit smaller than Earth's highest mountain, Everest. So, Ceres alien light. Is there any alien life on Ceres? Do you think aliens are real? So, yeah, Vesta and Ceres inside context. Yeah, the orbit of Ceres. Yeah, right there, that's Ceres right there. Its minimum point is around 2.5 astronomical units. Its maximum is around 3 astronomical units. And yeah, you can look at that. Bart Simpson. Ceres prank lands Bart Simpson, like in the Simpsons movie. Can you see? Yeah, can you see any face in any other objects? Yeah, Ceres does have poles. It could be the poles could have it could possibly have water, just like other moons and Mercury, even Mars, because it has ice caps. So yeah, there is water up there, just like on Mercury. So anyways, that's all I have to say about Ceres. Yeah, it's a cute little dwarf planet, but it's not the smallest, of course. But yeah, do you think that's an alien right there? Done this Ceres little planetary factory. Just there's a lot of water on Ceres. And yeah, right there, that's tells us the radius, because the radius of Ceres is almost 500 kilometers. Because the radius is 2 times that of the diameter. Yeah, that's when Ceres rotates and goes around the sun. But do you think Ceres have seasons, or how long is a day on Ceres? You know, but okay, that's all I have to say about this dwarf planet, and I'll see you in the next video.